Hey there, wanted to bring you a real quick message on how you could possibly save a lot of money, get a lower interest rate if you're thinking about buying a home. We've seen a lot of talk in the news this past year about the increase in interest rates in the overall economy, and that's certainly affected the housing market as well. So if you're thinking about buying a home, you obviously want to get the lowest interest rate that you possibly can for that home loan. And that's actually more important than worrying as much about the price of the home that you pay for. Now, over the last couple of years, getting a low mortgage rate was simple in the historic low rate environment that we were in. However, this year we've seen a dramatic increase in interest rates. We started the year 2022 about 3.1%, and at the end of the first week of October, we were up to about 6.22%, and that's actually down a little bit from a peak fairly recently. So that huge change can mean the difference between somebody qualifying for a loan when they could before and they might not now, or it makes that home more expensive each month. So maybe now they have to buy less home. Well, quite often the first question that a realtor will get from a buyer, or maybe even just a curious friend or neighbor, is, what are the interest rates today? You've probably asked that of somebody you know as well. Well, my answer is always the same, which is, it depends. Now, what do I mean by that? Well, the media will usually publish one rate, the 30-year fixed rate mortgage, just kind of as a benchmark. But in reality, there's probably dozens, if not hundreds, of different interest rates. There's a number of factors that are going to go into determining that for each person in each situation. Now, some of those factors are, the most obvious one is your credit score. The higher your credit score is, typically the lower interest rates you're going to get. Then there's the loan type, a VA loan versus a conventional loan, or an FHA loan, or a USDA loan. We're all going to have different interest rates. And a second home or investment property is going to be even a higher rate because it's seen as a higher risk to the lender. Then there's the loan size. When you get up into that jumbo loan above about $647,000, those interest rates are going to be higher as well. Then you have the loan term. A 15-year mortgage is going to be cheaper, lower rate than a 30-year mortgage. And adjustable rate mortgages are becoming popular again a little bit because interest rates are higher. But with an adjustable rate mortgage, you're going to start out with a low rate. Of course, it will increase, it will adjust over time. So you need to be a little careful there if that's the right choice you want to make. And then there's the amount of your down payment. The more money you put down, typically the lower interest rate you're going to have because there's less risk to the bank now. So these are just a few of the factors that go into determining what each person's interest rate is going to be. And also keep in mind that interest rates will vary between lender A, lender B, lender C. So a conventional loan at one place may be different, higher or lower, than another lender versus another versus another. So the best thing you can do is to have a team of professionals on your side. And I've got some great lenders that I work with who have just phenomenally low interest rates. So let me know if you'd like me to pass on that information to you. Be happy to get you their contact information. Well, thanks for watching, and just reach out if I can help you in any way. Grab your cell phone, give me a call, send me a text. That's my personal cell phone number. You'll reach me directly. You can reach me just about any time between 8 in the morning and 8 o'clock at night. I'm Stewart.Ebaugh with Southern Classic Realtors here in the Atlanta metro area, and I look forward to seeing you on the next one.